this many deaths, and we know it's far, far higher. And every single one of us on the planet has been impacted by this pandemic. The trajectory of this pandemic is in our hands. It has always been in our hands. What will happen into 2022 remains up to us. Is there a possibility where we can reach a state where we have gained control over transmission in 2022? Absolutely. Is there the possibility that we can remove the severe hospitalizations and death in 2022? Absolutely. We could have done that already, but we haven't. And collectively, as individuals, as leaders, we have to take stock of that and make a choice, and make conscious choices every day of how we're going to address that. Right now, we are seeing increases where we shouldn't be. There's been more than 55% increase in cases over the last 4 weeks in Europe, where there's ample supply of vaccines, where there's ample supply of tools. We mention grieving and being angry and being frustrated. What we need to see is that anger, that emotion, turned into action. We need actions that protect ourselves, that protect our loved ones from infection, from the spread. We need leaders to provide communities with consistent, accurate information, to enable communities to keep themselves safe and their loved ones safe, to invest in systems, those systems for surveillance, for testing, to support our health workers. We can't make these changes once this pandemic is over to prepare for the next one. So the question is not what we do in 2022, it's what we do right now. And we have the opportunity, and we have to do this now. How many more people need to die? How many more countries need to be put into severe situations again before we take action? So everyone that's watching this, what will you do today?
The trajectory of the pandemic is in our hands. It has always been in our hands. What happens now and into 2022 is up to us. Collectively, we can end the COVID-19 pandemic through actions. It's up to all of us. We can save lives now. We must.